You'll be learning about those in your upcoming years as well. If you're in second year or third year, you'll be learning about SaaS, that is infrastructure, service, and platform as service. So you in this GCP, you will be learning how you can provide infrastructure as a service, or a software as a service, or a platform as a service to your clients. So why learn cloud computing? Because cloud computing basically eliminates the need to have a middleman in a business. Right? You don't have to set up your own infrastructure or your own platform, but you can use what the cloud provides you, which makes it more cost effective and many other benefits. So that is basically what cloud computing is. So in cloud computing, companies or individuals pay to access a virtual pool. That is, you are accessing the data from a large data centers. So its first big advantage would be that you pay for what you use. So like for many of us nerds here, we all know that if you are paying for a 16 gigs of RAM, you are going to use all the 16 gigs of RAM, right? But there are some tasks like wherein you would need a lot of memory, and so for those purposes you can use cloud resources. So these are basically the benefits of cloud, that it is cost effective and high performance. You don't have to worry about data and security because Google has got that covered for you. Faster deployment and market release. You will be using containers and Kubernetes to deploy your services, which makes it much more reliant and faster. If you want to suppose scale your infrastructure, suppose let's for example for this session we'll consider software. If you want to scale your software to a larger audience, you just have to change the subscription plan. You'll be using more resources. You don't have to bring in the resources yourself and set it up. You'll be just changing a subscription plan online, like on one click. It provides remote access and it is available everywhere. You can use it for collaboration and data recovery, competitive edge, innovation, all those points, basic points. So, what is exactly Google Cloud Study Jams? So, Google Cloud Study Jams has like it's basically bringing together developers and we learn about Google Cloud technologies. There are many things that we'll be learning throughout this session, such as containerizing applications, data engineering. You'll be learning about ML, and this year they have added generative AI as well. Yeah, the same things. You'll be learning about cloud computing fundamentals, how you are going to create and manage the resources, how you'll be using APIs, how you'll be using machine learning APIs that are available on Google, and how you'll be using that in your product. You'll be learning about handling big data. You'll have some SQL over here, like you'll be learning about queries and stuff, and it won't be on such a scale because you're working with a large data. We will be learning about containerization and Kubernetes. For those of you who don't know what containers and Kubernetes are, containers are basically they are a package that you so containers are basically a package of your dependencies. You can think of it in that way. And Kubernetes is for scaling, deployment, and management of the containers that you are using for your product. So program details. So the program timeline would be 3rd October to 30th October, and I will be your facilitator, and I will be in touch with you throughout the time. You will be getting daily updates too. And the participant registration starts from 22nd September to 26th September. And throughout this course, you'll be learning about basically two things. There will be generative AI path, and there will be a Google Cloud skill boost path. You have to complete both of those in order to get the benefits. So benefits of enrolling. Through this study jam, you will be learning how to work on cloud technology, how to actually use the cloud technology. You will be using the cloud technology that are available on Google itself, and you will be getting access to those technologies, those resources, although for a limited time, but you'll be able to use them to your use or whatever you want to use it. Like if you complete your course early, you have the privilege to use them until the time is completed. You can expand your learnings and be industry ready. So the main advantage or the main benefit that we students get from this study jams are swags, of course. Like everyone would be waiting for swags. So this is what we have for this year's cloud study jam. It will be divided into just stickers. For tier 2, you'll be getting a bottle and a t-shirt, and you can see in tier 1 you get a bag as well. So uh, those are the shares that we'll be getting. Now I would like to ask Swapnali to uh, tell you guys or give you the details about how to enroll. Swapnali.
Yes, just a second. Uh, shall I share the screen now?
Yeah, sure, sure.
For those who are raising the hands, we will have a question and answer session after we complete the entire detailed thing. So you will be given the chance. Please lower your hand. And I want to ask that is everyone comfortable with English here, or shall I shift with any other language, Marathi or Hindi? Is my screen visible?
Yeah.
Okay. So till now we have seen everything about what is cloud computing or what the study jams will begin you. Now we will go through step by step that how to enroll in this program. So basically this program will be from 3rd October to 30th of October. In this 28 days you have to complete two courses. Just a second, I'll go through. You have to complete two courses. First one is generative AI and second is Google Cloud Skills Boost. Both of these will be having certain labs that you have to complete in all these 28 days in this period, and once you complete that then you will be eligible for receiving the swags. So now we will go through the process how to enroll. First of all, the very important thing that you have to do is you have to create a new Gmail account. Are you with me? Everyone is able to hear properly because this is very important. So everyone, I would request everyone to please concentrate. Okay, so first of all, you have to create a new Gmail account and then you have to sign up to Google Cloud Skills Boost platform. Now, what is exactly this platform that we will see everything in detail? So now this is my new email which I have created right now. That now we have to just go to Google Cloud Skills Boost. You have to go through this site and you have to sign up there with this new email only. Listen very carefully. If you are having any previous used email, your application won't be accepted. You have to use a new Gmail account only. Then using that Gmail account, you have to go on this Google Cloud Skills Boost platform, and here you have to click on the join button. Now here you have to sign in. You can directly sign in with Google because it is your new Gmail account, so there will be no issues. Now once you sign in, just a second. Yes, so you will receive these terms and services. You have to go through it just and click on I'm not a robot. Then complete this verification criteria. And I accept. Okay, so is everything clear till here? Then moving further, now you have signed in to this platform. Once you sign in, you have to go to this profile section. Now you are on path section. You have to go to profile section, and then you have to click on make batch profile public. This is a very compulsory step. If your profile is not public, then also your application won't be accepted. So you have to click on make profile public, and now you will receive a ID. Once your profile is public, this ID is very important. This you have to copy paste, or rather, okay, that I'll tell afterwards. So you have to make your public profile. After that, we are sharing a registration link. I will be sharing it in chat box also, and I'll share that after the meeting also in the group. You have to go through that registration form. I'll show the registration form as well. Okay. Okay, so this is the registration form that you have to fill. First of all, your name, email ID, year, branch, phone number, year of graduation, gender, and the main thing starts from here now. Do you have access to working internet connection? Of course, you have. I hope everyone will be having. The next question is verify that you have created a new Gmail account. So if you're not having a new Gmail account, I repeat again, your application won't be accepted. So I verify. Now the next thing is you have to sign in to Google Cloud Skills Boost only after creating a new Gmail account. And then you have to click here that I verify that my Google Cloud Skills Boost account is created after 22nd of September with a new Gmail. Then the next here, you have to paste or you have to write that email address with which you have signed in to Google Cloud Skills Boost. इथे तो ईमेल आयडी टाकायचा आहे ज्याच्याने तुम्ही गुगल क्लाउड स्किल्स बूस्टला साइन इन केलंय. इथे तो ईमेल ऍड्रेस टाकायचा आणि त्याच्यानंतर ह्या याच्यामध्ये तुम्हाला हा आयडी टाकायचा आहे जो तुम्हाला प्रोफाईल पब्लिक केल्यानंतर भेटेल. This entire ID from HTTPS to the last letter हा as it is तुम्हाला इथे पेस्ट करायचा आहे. अँड चेक इट, मी तुला म्हणते 3-4 वेळेस चेक करा की हा बरोबर आहे का नाही, कारण ह्या फॉर्म मध्ये भरलेली प्रत्येक गोष्ट ज्याच्यातनं काहीही जर चुकलं तर तुमचं ऍप्लिकेशन डायरेक्ट रिजेक्ट होणार आहे, बिकॉज दिस इज नॉट अ मॅन्युअल प्रोसेस. हे सगळं मशीन ऑटोमेटेड आहे. सो even if your application gets rejected, we cannot do anything in that case. So application नीट भरणं, सगळ्या गोष्टी स्टेप वाईज करणं हे कम्प्लिटली तुमच्या हातात आहे. सो प्लीज अटेंटिव्ह राहून भरा. And then you have to submit the form. Once you have submitted the form, then the further process it will be told afterwards. आता सध्या हेच करायचंय, फक्त फॉर्म सबमिट करायचा आहे. सो आय गेस we have completed the enrollment process. Now we can start with the doubt session. You can raise the hand and we will take it one by one. What are your doubts? कोणतंही जर तुम्हाला नेमका प्रोग्राम काय आहे किंवा एनरोल कसं करायचंय कोणत्याही सेक्शन मध्ये जर डाऊट असला then please raise your hand. We can clear it. Sujit, anything from your side you want to tell?
No.
Okay. सो कोणाला काहीच डाऊट नाही आर यू शुअर? बिकॉज तुमचं एनरोलमेंटच होणार नाही पूर्ण प्रोग्राममध्ये जर तुम्ही काहीही फॉर्म भरताना चुकी केली. Okay, so Arya Joshi, you can unmute yourself.
Hello.
Uh,
Didi, we will be having our in-sem exam at that time in the 3 October to 30 October. Means they are saying that it will be in the second week of the October. So can
okay.
we do simultaneously?
हां, म्हणजे सायमल्टेनियसच करायचं. हे पूर्ण 28 डेज चालणार आहे. त्या 28 डेजमध्ये तुम्हाला केव्हाही कंप्लीट करायचंय ते. जस्ट यू हॅव टू कंप्लीट दॅट बिफोर 38th ऑफ ऑक्टोबर. मग तुम्ही ते कधी करताय, कसं करताय दॅट इज कम्प्लिटली अप टू यू. बट यू हॅव टू फिनिश ऑल द लॅब्स बिफोर 30th
Okay.
ऑफ ऑक्टोबर.
Okay. Right. Thank you.
ओके. चॅट सेक्शनमध्ये विच लॅब वी हॅव टू विजिट? सॉरी, आय डिडंट वॉट युअर क्वेश्चन. अजून कोणाला काही डाऊट आहे का? Vaibhav, can you please unmute yourself if you are having that doubt? So shall we end the meeting? Okay. Okay, so we will conclude here. Thank you everyone for joining.